In this video, I will show you how to fix AMD error 182 something went wrong. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and confirm GPU compatibility. Go ahead and visit AMD's driver support page, and then in here go ahead and search for your GPU model to verify it's supported. If you're using an OEM or legacy GPU, you may need to get drivers from your device manufacturer. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and use AMD Auto Detect tool. So go to the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool section, download and run the installer, and then follow the on-screen instructions to detect your GPU and install the correct driver. Now, the last option that you have is to go ahead and clean up old AMD drivers. Download the AMD Cleanup utility, run the tool to safely remove existing AMD software and drivers, and then reboot your PC when prompted. That is how you can basically fix AMD Error 182 something went wrong. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.